Have problems sleeping? Here's their sleep routine number 2. It's all in your hands. So while you're going to bed and you're trying to sleep, if you've done sleep routine number 1 and you're still not asleep, then let's transition to sleep routine number 2. Sleep routine number 2 is mirroring the hand. So the hand is a microsystem of your whole body, and so we're going to show you 2 different types of mirroring. The first mirroring is if the hand is your whole body. So if your hand is your whole body and the bottom of your feet are down here, guess what's up top here? This is your head. So your fingertips mirror your head. This is quick restorative acupressure. You will not learn this from any TCM acupuncture book. Okay, so while you're laying down, I want you to just massage your fingers. I want you to pinch your fingertips. Find the most tender spots. Remember, QRA, quick restorative acupressure, is focused on tenderness. It's not focused on point location, okay? So you want to focus on finding the most tender spots and massage it for 30 seconds, okay? So you're going to go from one finger to the next. So first find the first finger and find a tender spot. If you don't find a tender spot, then you can move on to the next finger. But if you find multiple tender spots, then you want to stick with the tender spots in that finger, okay? And massage it for 30 seconds. Keep on massaging for 30 seconds. It's got to feel a little sore, okay? Sounds a little weird. You're inflicting pain on yourself, but it's supposed to calm you down and help you sleep. That's how the body works. So how many fingers do you have to go through? Well, until you actually fall asleep. That's the purpose. Until you get to the point you're like, oh man, I'm ready to doze off. Then you can stop. But if you can't, you're just going to massage. Start with the pinky massage, okay? Find the tender spots and massage for 30 seconds. Okay, you're still not asleep. Let's go to the second finger. The second finger, start from the sides, right? And the tip. You can go to the tip all over this first joint. Remember, this first joint, it mirrors your head. So we want to calm your brain down. You can also go to the tip. Remember to go to the tip. You can even go to the fingernail bed, right? Remember, it's this whole first joint right here. So you want to dig in and just find for 30 seconds, right? Get your mind focused on finding the most tender spots. You see, when that can help quiet your mind as well by looking for the tender spots. And so if you're on your 4th finger and you're still not asleep, guess what? God gave you 10 fingers. So you can go through one at a time. Find the most tender spots, okay? Most tender spots. Then go to your index finger. Same thing, all around 360. Press to find the most tender spots. And you can go your thumb, the first joint in your thumb, same thing. Again, this is QRA, this is not TCM acupressure. You're not going to find this in any book, okay? This is based on my QRA, quick restorative acupressure system. So you've got your other hand as well if one hand you're not falling asleep. Now let's say you've done the fingertips, you're still not sleepy. Here's mirroring number 2. Imagine your hand is your head. So your neck is right here. Here's your chin. Guess where this part of your area where the calluses are? Those are where, okay, your eyeballs and your nose area, okay? This is your forehead. So you want to stimulate your CPU, your central processing unit, which is your hypothalamus, which is deep in the center of your brain, typically going through your glabella area, right? So that's near your eyeball area. So you want to start massaging near your eyeball area, which is the callus area. Find the most tender spots. Now, this area, does it fall on some TCM acupressure points? Absolutely, okay? But again, remember, Jimmy's Acu Sensei's QRA is not about points. Do not be fixated on points, otherwise you're not going to get results. So you're going to go on this area, all the way around here. You can press on this side too. When you find the most tender spot, you're going to massage it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds, okay, in between the joints. You can massage on the bone, doesn't matter, it's the most tender spots. Even here, the most tender spots, okay? So again, between this area right here Does it matter if you need to go deeper? No, it doesn't. Okay, remember, it's not a point. Okay, it's imaging, it's mirroring. So you want to just dig in. When you find the point, dig in for 30 seconds. You're going to dig in on the palm side, find some sensitive points. And if you're not asleep yet, or you're not about to fall asleep, go on the top of your hand, right? The dorsum side. You want to go on the top of your hand, and you want to massage also, okay, on the top of your hand, even to the sides of your hand. And if this hand doesn't work and you're still not falling asleep, okay, besides here, God gave us 2 hands, so you can massage here. Yes, could you massage your feet? Yes, but that's not comfortable. It's going to be hard to fall asleep. So stick with your hands, right? Stick with your hands, go in the palms, dig in, find the area. Same thing, between here and here, you want to dig in, find the most tender spots, dig in for 30 seconds. Okay, you can dig in more. Hey, if one spot is really sensitive, dig in more, and that can help stimulate your brain, your hypothalamus, to calm it down. Cause your brain to secrete more serotonin, to relax, calm you down. There's nerves on your hand that can directly communicate and send a message to your hypothalamus, your CPU, your central processing unit, to tell it to turn off. Turn the switch off. It's time to night-night. Okay? The magic is in your hands. Now, if you need additional help and you've got chronic insomnia, you've tried the pills and it's not working, you could be missing the foundation. So the foundation, I've created a insomnia guidebook for restorative sleep. And it will help you set the foundation. Is what we provide our patients, is what we teach our patients in our clinic. I'm making it accessible to you for free. Just comment in the comments below, sleepy, and my team will send you a link and get free access to this restorative sleep guidebook. It will teach you some acupressure points, some herbs, some foods that can help you improve your sleep, but more importantly, not just improve your sleep, to train, to nourish your body, retrain your body so that your body can regulate your sleep by itself without pills anymore. Comment sleepy in the comments.